Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 14T and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and first of all we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Device. Then let's scroll down and enter the version and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and go back to the general list of the settings and tap on System and Update and tap on Developer Options. So here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.